me Africa. Oh Mali Chanwa, African lady. Hey, African lady. Your love they scatter my brain, oh. Good vibes. Oh, yeah. African lady. Do you love me truly? African lady. Why you they confuse me? Oh, African lady. My heart needs you, baby. African lady. Don't play me like a game. Fortune fit find person someday, but true love hard to see always. Many people they fake emotion, I their heart inside deception. I stand behind your devotion, still they search for real affection. Because another person life no fit become my own forever. When you love somebody truly, but they no love you sincerely, it they burn so like hot fire. Pain when no they tire, money no fit buy true feeling. Luxury no fit stop bleeding. Now only pure love fit heal the wounds where how they feel. Oh baby, no waste my time. If not love, make it be genuine. Because my soul they search for peace, not another heartbreak season. Do you love me truly? African lady. Why you they confuse me? African lady. My heart needs you, baby. African lady. Don't play me like a game. I believe say nothing fit divide us. If your love pure, nobody fit stop us. No magic potion fit create the kind of bond where destiny make your beauty shine like evening sun. Your waistline fit stop every man, but waiting really capture me. Now your spirit and humility. Baby, give me your honest heart, make we never drift apart. Because fake love they everywhere, but true love rare like answered prayer. If I call you my African queen, promise that you no go leave. Hold me close through every storm, keep my lonely soul warm. Ad Africa, people are cool to people. Baby, now they do shakara too much, I dey think about you, wonder if your love dey true. On another sweet illusion, we go end inside confusion. Some girls love because of money, others come for temporary honey. But I dey search for forever, one woman we go stay together. If you feel love me, I go treat you respectfully. Take you home to see my mama. Wani marama. African lady, African lady. Do you love me truly? African lady. Why you they confuse me? African lady. My heart needs you, baby. African lady. Don't play me like a game. Sincerely, no deceive me emotionally. Because broken lights no easy, and fake promises they deadly. I go love you once again, if your heart no carry pain. But you must be mine completely, no divided loyalty. African lady, understand me. Not true affection, they guide me. I don't need expensive things. Now peace, your love, they bring